It's not a leak or rumor to suggest that Samsung is working on a Galaxy S25 Ultra smartphone. The company releases a new version of its flagship smartphone with the Ultra tag every year. Last year was the S24 Ultra. It will be the S25 Ultra this year. What is a leak is this new image of the S25 Ultra posted by Ice Universe on X. It appears to show off the entire design of the phone from the front. The initial post prompted users to guess the phone. It's pretty obvious what it is though. And subsequent posts comparing it to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max spelled it out clearly. The main takeaway from the design is that Samsung could be switching to rounded corners for its next Ultra smartphone. That could make the large phone a little more comfortable to hold. Some of the Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks have been underwhelming from a spec perspective. Some rumors have suggested that the phone will use a MediaTek chip. Others say it'll get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Another leak suggests it'll get a big RAM bump, which could help AI performance and rival the new Pixel 9 Pro series, which starts at 16 GB of RAM. One thing's sure though, Samsung will include some excellent cameras in the S25 Ultra. One rumor suggests it'll have a 200 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and two 50 megapixel telephoto lenses, one with 3x zoom and one with 5x zoom.